So can you reset the For You page on TikTok? This is the For You page here. It's from the home page as long as you're on the For You. And TikTok basically learns from your activity and shows you videos here that it thinks you want to see. Now I'm gonna blur some of these videos just because I don't want to get in trouble with a YouTube video when I don't have permission to use some of these videos. But this is how simple it is in a 3-step process to reset your For You page on TikTok. Step 1 is go to the profile page right here. You want to click right over here. And on this page, press the 3 lines on top. The first thing we want to do is we want to clear the TikTok cache. That's the cache that's inside of this app. So clear cache is going to be the very first thing we could do. Very simple. You just tap on it and you want to see 0 over here. Now next we need to train TikTok a little bit. So let me show you how to do that. Go back to the home page on the For You page and just press and hold on things you don't want to see and press not interested. Okay, you press this and then it's going to say maybe it's not relevant to me. I'll choose that here. Okay, then you could do the same thing every time you see a video you don't want to see. Now let's say it's a video you do want to see. Make sure you give it a heart. Okay, so you interact with things you want to see more of and you press not interested on things you don't want to see. Another option, and the third option you should do, is press and hold on a video, and instead of saying not interested, press more and then choose to hide videos from this whole user. So if you choose to do that, you won't even see videos they post. You could also hide videos that have this specific sound. So if you don't like a song, for example, you could use that option over here as well. So step 1 is clear cache. Step 2 is training TikTok by saying you're not interested. And step 3 is hiding users entirely that you don't want to see content from. So make sure you train TikTok, and after a course of a few days, it should be a lot better than it used to be. And that's how you reset TikTok's For You page. Thanks so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.